Good morning, children. Welcome in your moral teaching class. Children, today we are going to read lesson number 11 of your moral teaching book, A Pond of Butter. In this story, we will learn that we should always be fair and just to others in our dealings, as we also expect the same from them. So children, we get back in life what we give to others. Whenever you take an action, ask yourself whether you are doing the right thing or are you fair and just in your dealings with others. If the answer is yes, go on. But if the answer is no, then stop, check and review your actions. Children, this story is about a farmer and a baker who did business with each other. But one of them was not honest. And who was he? To know about him, let's read the story. Once upon a time, there was a farmer who sold a pound of butter to the baker. One day, the baker decided to weigh the butter to see if he was getting a pound or not. On weighing the butter, he found that he was getting less than a pound every day. This angered him and he took the farmer to the court. So children, what happened here? Once upon a time, there was a farmer and a baker. The farmer sold a pound of butter to the baker every day. And one day, the baker somehow decided to check the weight of butter to see if the farmer was delivering the right amount to him or not. And on weighing, he found that the weight of butter was not proper. The baker got angry about this and he took the farmer to the court. What happened next? Read the next paragraph. The judge asked the farmer if he was using any measure. The farmer replied, "Your Honor, I am an uneducated village man. I don't have a proper measure, but I have a scale." The judge asked, "Then how do you weigh the butter?" Now children, what happened next? The court judge asked the farmer about the measure that he was using to weigh the butter. Then the farmer replied that he don't has any measure, but he has just a scale. So children, this equipment is called scale, which is used for weighing things or amount of food. And judge is asking about the measure or that iron weight. The judge is asking that iron weight which are placed on the scale to weigh something. So children, on one side of the scale, the shopkeeper used to put that iron weight, and on the other side, he used to keep the goods or the object which he has to measure weight. So children, when the farmer told the court judge that he don't has any measure, he has only a scale, then the court judge asked him, "How you confirm the weight of the butter?" Court judge said that if you don't have any measure, how you confirm that the butter is 1 pound or not? Now next paragraph children. The farmer replied, "Your Honor, long before the baker started buying butter from me. I have been buying a pound of loaf of bread from him. Every day when the baker brings the bread, I put it on the scale and give him the same weight in butter. If anyone is to be blamed, it is the baker. Now children, the farmer told the court judge that long before the baker started purchasing 1 pound of butter from him, and he has been purchasing a bread loaf of 1 pound from the baker every day. And every day when the baker gives him the loaf of bread, he used to put it on his scale and give the baker same weight of butter. So children, farmer said that if anyone is to be blamed, it is the baker. How the baker was blamed? Because according to the farmer, he used to give 1 pound of butter to the baker every day. Because to measure the weight of butter, every day he used that bread loaf which he received every day from the baker and which was weighed 1 pound. Now the baker felt ashamed for his deeds. He realized he should have been fair and just in his dealings with the farmer. If he had been fair, he would have received fairness in return. Now children, the baker felt ashamed for his deed because if anyone was guilty in this case, he was the baker. If he would have given a complete 1 pound of bread loaf to the farmer every day, then he would also have received a complete 1 pound of butter from him. Now the baker realized that he should have been honest toward others, and he also realized that if he would be honest with others, then only he would get honesty from others in return. So children, what are the reflections of the story? Reflections are: what you give out in this world comes back to you in some way. If you are kind and generous to others, you will receive kindness and generosity in return. Similarly, when you are fair and just in your dealings with others, God is fair to you. When you are just with others, people will respect you and you will receive justice in return. So children, what is the moral of this story? The moral of the story is, in life and in business, we should always be honest, or we should always keep our words and should always treat others in the same way in which we want to be treated. So children, always be fair and just in your dealings with others.